If Samsung wireless charging is not working in your phone, then let us fix it within 2 minutes. Now the first thing is you have to make sure that you are using the correct wall adapter for wireless charging. For Samsung S26 you should have 25 watt adapter that you use directly on the wall, not on the USB of your computer. The next thing is, if you have used a thick case for your Samsung phone, remove the case and then try to charge with wireless charger again. The other thing is, whenever you place your charger on a wireless charger, you have to place your phone exactly in the middle of the charger. You have to place the wireless charger at the back of the phone and it should be placed at the middle position. If there is a slight misalignment also, then wireless charging may not work. The other thing is, there might be a temporary glitch in your phone. So what you do is, you have to restart your phone. Open the notification panel, tap on this power icon here and then select restart. So after you have restarted your phone, check if wireless charging is working now or not. The other thing that you have to do is, you have to check if you have enabled fast wireless charging or not. So for that one, we have to go to this option settings here, go to battery, go to charging settings and make sure that you have enabled this option fast charging and fast wireless charging both. So if you have not enabled this option, then wireless charging may not work in your phone. The other thing is, if your phone is too hot, then wireless charging might not work. So this will be done in order to protect the battery. So you need to make sure that your phone is at normal room temperature before you start wireless charging. Now the last thing is, if you have dropped your phone on a hard surface recently, then because of that there might be a hardware issue. So in that case, you have to take your phone to a technician and check it. Thank you for watching the video. Hope this video will fix the issue. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.